Yeah, we definitely gonna have to do a part two. Rename this. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today I'm gonna show y'all some of my favorite Kith tees in my collection. Let's get it. Yes, sir, man. I'm ecstatic to do this video, man. I gave y'all my favorite Supreme tees in my collection. I think I did 1 and 2, and like I told y'all earlier, we might need a part 2 to this, but I'm gonna try to run through them. It's not the best. It's my favorite. If you watch the channel, y'all know every time Monday program hits, I'm buying something every Monday, from accessories to tees to cereal boxes. I'm a long-time Kith supporter. Like this tee I got on, this is probably like 6-7 years ago, man. Certain Kith tees, I rock them once on special occasions, and I give them away, I sell them, I do things of that nature. So these ones I'm showing y'all today stuck to the test of time. Let's get it. One of my favorite tees in my collection by far, not just Kith. It's from the Kith for Aaliyah capsule, man. I know a lot of y'all don't know who Aaliyah is. Aaliyah is what Aaliyah could have been Beyonce. She had a timely death, young, plane crash, man, but Aaliyah's career was skyrocketing. She was one of those ones, man, and for Kith to acknowledge that is like super dope, because Aaliyah's not like the popular name, man. She's not like the Sade, the Marilyn Monroe, all the stuff Supreme does collab with. Aaliyah's kind of under that radar, man, but by far a special person, and this Kith for Aaliyah capsule was super dope to me. This collection was super dope, but I feel like I got the best tee out of that collection, and this is the Kith for Batman. This is the Dark Knight tee. This tee is super hard, man. I know y'all remember this iconic scene in the movie. I think they even made this for like the trailer. Man, super dope. The front has that. The back, like stealth-like, has a Batman logo. Super dope, man. Definitely one of my favorite Kith tees. The tag even has the Batman logo. This tee right here comes from the Kith for Marvel situation. Before I get into this tee, I'm going to take y'all back to this scene here. And it's open, guys. I'm going to close my eyes and let y'all see first what's going on. Is it yay or nay, guys? Yay! Woo! Where I found that I won the Wolverine Kith ASIC joints. That's how long I've been rocking with Kith, man. That was phenomenal, man. But right here is the Kith Otto Octavius tee, man. Super dope, man. It was Kith for villains, so it was all the Marvel villains, not the superheroes. And Otto Octavius is like one of my favorite villains ever, from the way he talk, his accent. Super dope, man. And also, this had the Kith for Marvel tag. And I guess staying cartoonish, the Kith for Sesame Street, man. I really like this tee here, man. I brought like 9 tees from that collection. This is the only one that I kept. I really wanted to keep the Grover one, man, but the price that it went for on the resale market, I had to let it go, because I know it would have probably sat here. But this Family Hug, or All the Hugs tee, let me get the real name, Group Hug tee, it's just super dope, man. And with all the colorful SBs I got, it could definitely be worn with anyone. Okay, let's do a few more, man. This is one of my favorite tees because he's from my hometown, and he's the baddest man on the planet, man. Kith for Mike Tyson tee, man. If you don't know, Mike Tyson was known for like training pigeons on rooftops in Brownsville, Brooklyn. And this is just like a mix-up of Tyson's old life with his new life. You see how like he got on that nice sweater and stuff, man, because Tyson used to be a bad man. Tyson has changed. He's funny now. He's cool. He's collective. I really like this, but this is an old picture of Mike, man, with some pigeons. Kith knocked this one out the park. This tee is not like the best tee out of all, but this Kith Fire tee is super dope, man. Like super dope. Like It's plain, man, but I don't know. I like this. This came last year, the Kith spring tees or the fall tees. I can't remember. But, man, I really like this tee. And one last tee is the Kith for the Wire tee, man. R.I.P. to my guy here. He died. He's from my city, too. But this Kith for Wire collection was super dope. It really wasn't that meaningful to me because I tell y'all a secret, I never watched The Wire, man. I keep telling myself every year, yo, I'm going to watch The Wire, I'm going to watch The Wire. I just start rewatching Spartacus or Ray Donovan or Game of Thrones. I just never got into The Wire, but I got to get into it. But this tee's super dope, man, and R.I.P. Yes, sir, man. So that's just a quick rundown on some of my favorite Kith tees. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any. I didn't get to my Goodfellas, my Scarface. I got a whole bunch, but I didn't want to make the video too long, man. But let me know in the comment section below what was some of y'all favorite. It might be something I want to go out and get. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.